Ayan, hey guys, it's me, Ate Alex, once again. Ayan, mag-update lang tayo guys. Itong gagawin ko isang Arabic dish, waraganab. Yan, naano ko na lang yun guys, simple na lang yung ginagawa ko kasi mahirap yung sobrang napupulo storage ako. Ayan yung ginagawa ko guys. Ayan yung ating grape leaves. Ayan, yan ang gagawa niya. So, pag gusto nyo ng ganito, ang gawin yung rice ay yung rice ng Egyptian rice. Ayan. Swam ang tawag doon. And igisa nyo lahat ng ingredients, spicy, yan. Alam naman ninyo kung paano yung masarap, diba? So, like what I've said, update lang po from Ate Alex. Ayan, iniikot-ikot, yan. See? Kompleto yan guys. May black pepper, may tomato, fresh tomato, ayan, kusbara, ayan. So, ang importante kasi dyan guys, pag kayo gumagawa ng isang bagay, make it with your heart, make it with your love, cooking with love with Ate Alex. See? Samot-sari na lang guys, yung ginagawa ko. Papansin ba? Ayan. Soon back to Walwal with Ate Alex. I love you and mwah mwah. Chuk chuk. See.